This is Band 5 Introduction. This is Band 6, this is Band 7, and this is Band 8. What's the difference in these answers? What are the things to remember to reach Band 7 or 8 in the real IELTS test? What are the mistakes we should avoid to get a desirable band score? In this lesson, we're going to learn together how to get a band 7.5 or 8 in Writing Task 2. Don't skip any part because maybe you'll leave the part you needed the most, so be patient and watch this video carefully. After this, you will perfectly master Introduction of Writing, Task 2 Advantages and Disadvantages. Hello, it's IELTS Win-Win, and today we're discussing about the IELTS Writing, Task 2 Advantages and Disadvantages. So let's move to the question. At first, read the question carefully, without skipping the single line. In many countries, students are encouraged to study abroad for higher education. What are the advantages and disadvantages of studying in a foreign country? So basically, we have to write around 35 to 40 word sentences in introduction, which is an ideal sentence structure. In this lesson, we'll progressively learn how to improve our introduction writing, starting from Band 5. And this is the Band 5 answer. Many students go to foreign countries for higher education. There are advantages and disadvantages of studying abroad. This essay will discuss both sides. So, if you're in this level of writing, what are the things required to improve to get Band 6? Remember, don't get hurry, like, I will jump directly from Band 5 to 8. It will get so much headache at once, but you can reach there in a couple of months if practice consistently. Let's move to the answer. This is an average level of writing and has a decent paraphrasing. It has an below average transform. Repeats the question. Vocabulary is very basic, no development or confidence, and we forget to add a supportive line that will make the examiner understand what he or she can expect from this essay. You don't need to make your introduction more complex to get high band score, but you need to make your essay understandable without repeating words. What to improve in this writing to reach Band 6? Number 1. Paraphrase the question. Number 2. Avoid. This essay will discuss. Number 3. Add some basic level vocabulary. So, here is the Band 6 introduction. Nowadays, many students choose to study in foreign countries for higher education. This trend has both advantages and disadvantages, which will be discussed with an example in this essay. Why this is Band 6? We didn't forget to paraphrase our question, give general idea to the examiner that you can expect. This trend has both advantages and disadvantages, and we're providing examples to support our line. This kind of confidence helps you to get easy Band 6, and if you're in this level, congratulations, you can get easy Band 7 with little efforts, but to get Band 7 you need to add some more value and non-repeated topic-related vocabularies and remove unnecessary phrases. Adding unnecessary drama to your introduction will bore the examiner and he can lower your marks saying, out of context, answer. They need simple and structured answer to read. What to improve in this writing to reach Band 7? Number 1. Paraphrase the question more efficiently. Number 2. Structure the ideas and avoid unnecessary drama. Number 3. Add some intermediate level vocabulary. So, here is the Band 7 introduction. Studying abroad has become a popular option for higher education in many countries. While it provides students with valuable academic and cultural experiences, it also involves certain challenges. Why this is Band 7? It has clear paraphrasing, balanced tone, and academic vocabulary. What we do in this is how every top band scorers do. Let me explain. We have to divide our introduction in 3 paragraphs like we do. In first paragraph, we have to paraphrase the question. So, we totally transform this line. Instead of writing, students are encouraged to study abroad. We write studying abroad has become a popular option, and we write in many countries at last. I changed the line, but meaning remains same. You shouldn't write the same line as given in the question. It will lower the band score. You have to change the line, but the meaning should remain same. In second paragraph and third paragraph, we must provide clue to the examiner that what we're going to discuss in paragraph 1 and 2, including reasonable examples. Why this is band 7 not 8. Paraphrased but simple answer without any complex forms. It didn't provide specific values for both parts. Look at the answer carefully. It only discusses about the advantages, but disadvantages remain uncertain, which is why it wasn't band 8. It's very hard or almost impossible to score band 9 in writing category, so never trust the videos about the band 9 writing tips. Let's move to the last and final answer of introduction, which helps you to achieve band 8. This complex structure will surely help you to score 7.5 to 8 band score. Number 1. Paraphrase the question, but meaning should be same. Number 2. Include why to your question. Number 3. Write 2 advantages and 2 disadvantages in complex form, which gives an idea about your essay to the examiner. For example, complex form are like, although hard work has advantages such as lead to success and create self-confidence, physical pressure and poor work-life balance are some of the drawbacks of it. This form of writing has complex structure, has 2 advantages, 2 disadvantages, and summaries your essay to your examiner. So let's write band 8, introduction of our question. This is the perfect band 8 answer. Pursuing higher education in a foreign country has become a popular option due to globalization. So, how to write this type of complex structure? We just paraphrase the question. Instead of writing study abroad for higher education, we write pursuing higher education in foreign countries and add in value such as why students are moving abroad for their higher education gives a clear idea of the essay and helps you to get high band score. In the next paragraph, we give a complex form answer. Although it offers benefits such as exposure to diverse cultures and advanced education systems, it also presents drawbacks including financial pressure and cultural adjustment. This structure gives 2 to 2 ideas. Why studying abroad has both advantages and disadvantages. Why this is band 8. Because we paraphrased question, we give why answer, we give complex structure, we provide 2 points each to support the line. This is the final answer of introduction consists of under 40 words with complex vocabulary and paraphrasing. This is perfect band 8 answer. That's it for today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more cookies. Do you want to learn how to write body paragraphs and conclusion? Comment down below which topic is your hardest and you want me to cover it.